Welcome back, everyone. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I'm going to show you something maybe you've never seen before in your life. These are shelves that are supposed to go on a wall. They're made out of solid acacia wood. All right, this is some beautiful stuff. They have milled out square bracket holes on the back for their hardware, which is very nicely made. I'm going to use this, just this little one. I don't have any use for the other ones. Too bad. I wanted to use a nice little shelf of some kind, even a plastic tray, to keep from dropping my $800 lab jig, because I've already dropped it once. It's so heavy that when you pull it from its little house here on the tool, it drops like out of your hand. So I thought I would put a little shelf here. So I searched the world over and I came up with this gorgeous acacia wood shelving. It's cheap. I couldn't build it or even think of buying the wood from Home Depot or Lowe's and making anything like this. I bought it from Amazon, got it in 2 days. 39 bucks for all three, not just one, which probably would have been worth it. I mean, it's beautiful. You feast your eyes on this and you'll agree. The bigger one, if I put it here, it will kind of want to hit my hand on the rig. See, this goes like this, so I got to be really careful. And the little one is ideal. I just can't hardly believe I got it for 39 bucks. I mean, the finish is perfect. This is bowl material. So evidently this company's claim to fame is making vegetarian dishes, bowls, the tools you use to lift the salad out of their bowls. And they have these as a, I don't know, maybe a giveaway on Amazon. It is beautiful. Maybe they're the cutoffs from their bowls. I don't know, but I'm telling you, I'm glad to have it. Thank you, Amazon, for giving us a nice piece of material so well made. It should be like in a museum. So I'm going to put it in my museum, my gorgeous little museum right behind me. I hope this doesn't look too bad. And you know, I can always remove it during the day if it gets in my way. I'll show you a close-up view of this right now. Here are these just gorgeous acacia wood shelving material. Look at how nicely made they are. This is solid wood, and it's going to go so nicely in my studio. This is a little bigger. Notice this. And look at the taper. So I could have put a shelf, you know, maybe a half round thing, cut something at Lowe's or Home Depot. But for $39, could I even made anything like this? Not really. I couldn't even have spent, I mean, it'd take me a week to do something like this. I don't even have the tools to do it. And this big old beauty, look at this one. All nicely tapered. This is really a super way to put a shelf underneath your lab capping tool, guys. I would buy this stuff from Amazon. You can get it 39 bucks. Look at this, $39. And it's on sale, 13% off. It was 45, so it was 46 bucks. But I got it for $39, 13% off. Wow. The pictures here really don't give it justice. Look at how dumb that looks. Ah, well. Anyway, great product. I'm going to show you how I put it on. I can't hardly believe how gorgeous this is. Oh, I got to show you the hardware. You're not missing this package, so you got hardware all over it, right? Nice red bag. This is the brackets. Let's go ahead and open this up. I had it stapled. And everything has got this foam material keeping it from getting wrecked, by the way, when you get it in shipping. Whoa, almost dropped that on that beautiful shelf. So here's how the bracket goes. Well, we'll take one there. And we'll take two here. So you just stick this right in there. It goes flush in there. So this goes against the wall. You put your bolts through here into the wall. Let's get another one out. So here's one that would go over here. Now watch this. I think this is pretty incredible. Now I did hear some bad reviews about these bolts, which I can see why. They're made for really a lot of drywall. So if your drywall is only 1/2 inch, these things aren't going to really work. I think they could work great in a 2x4, but then you wouldn't bolt it this way. I don't know. You're going to have to buy different fasteners. These aren't really your fastener of choice. Even though they came in the package, you got tons of them. I mean, quite a few of these things to do your job. I wish they would have made these smaller. This would be mounted on the wall. The unit goes in here like this, and these would go like that. Point is too long for 1/2 inch drywall. If you had 5/8, if you had firewall, double rock, this would work. Two layers of drywall. Here in the US, we only use 1/2 inch or 5/8 rock on the walls. Love the bracket, so I'll use a different fastener. We're at the press. I'm gonna apply this nice little shelf right there. I have a choice really. I could have used these other longer ones. I don't know, guys. I think they're just too big. They come out just so far that I'm afraid I'm gonna bump into it. I think this little one will work out great. I'm gonna use the fasteners, put it right here, pre-drill the holes, and use some screws of my choice. Some like drywall screws or wood screws that'll be able to mount into this workbench. And the reason I'm doing this is I have a tapping press made by Lab. And the problem with it, this base right here is too small. And this $800 jig, which caps IC cores. These are the best IC core. It puts brass caps down into the IC core. You just mount the IC core like this, small format IC core, and then you press down. But the problem is, and all of you are aware of it, when you mount it in the jig, it's like that. And then you just push down and punch that brass into the top of the small format IC core. But if you pull forward, or if you knock this thing, you'll drop it. And when it goes down, it's $800 worth of, I wished I wouldn't have dropped that bad boy. So I'm going to put this shelf right underneath it. Should solve the problem. I can't wait to get started on it. This should be fun. Nice acacia wood shelf. Just to keep it from falling off and going somewhere I don't want it to go. I don't have much wiggle room here. I'm going to leave these in here and mark the sides. That way I won't get off from the hole. This thing is, oh man, we're talking tight tolerances here. There's no wiggle room for side motion here. So I'm going to go ahead and just mark these spots and then get the height exactly right. Yeah, get the height after I mark the locations. Ooh, right next to a screw. That's not good. I can slide sideways with the fastening holes, but up and down, that's not forgiving. So let's try to figure out that. Maybe I can draw a line across it. So I want it to be flush. All right, I have various assortments of screws which should work in this. So let's go ahead and drill it. Let's test out my longest screws. Now we'll put the little bracket on. Ouch! Oh, man, that hurt. That'll bring down a lion. Hey guys, I think I got it. So this slides into these little holes, and this part right here goes into the cutout. Oh, that's perfect. I can slide this just a hair down. All right, let's test this out. Yeah. Oh, you got to have that lined up just so. There we go. We're flush here now. We're flush up here. Ooh, nice. I think I can. Oh my, if that breaks off of there, it'd be a miracle. I'd have to really hit it hard to break that off. And these drywall screws are case hardened. They won't be snapping. Ooh, isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Look at that. I don't feel a bit bad. Even if I lost it out of my hand, I think I could probably fumble and catch it. That's pretty cool. I feel better with that. 39 bucks worth of safety. Let's test this bad boy out. Ah, yes. It's not going to go far. Got a nice little shelf. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Tell your friends, please. And I'll have more door and lock tips, like a shelf out of acacia wood for $39. Oh man, this is super, super inexpensive. I don't know where else I'll put the rest. I could just start building them up here on top of the other one and almost have the exact height. Nah, I'm not going to do that. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more door and lock tips. Thank you. Have you ever wondered how I get these nice close-ups? Well, I'm going to show you. I have it mounted in a beautiful tripod right out here. Plus my camera, if I adjust it properly, I can get right up so close, you can't hardly believe it. Get right up without even walking over there. Is that killer or what? What a great shelf. So there's a little sneak peek behind the scenes. I use a lot of lights, a lot of tripods, a lot of goodies. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming in the future. Thank you guys. Ooh, what do we have going on in the studio? Ooh, we have an unboxing. Oh, that's going to be fun. I can't wait. Look at this. Got all the tripods set up, lighting, action, camera. We're going to be talking about this. this little shelf made out of acacia wood, bought from Amazon. Look at this bad boy. Is that gorgeous or what? I put it underneath my lab jig so I don't drop that part of the jig onto the concrete down there. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way. Thank you. What a great shelf. Things like this that you add to your shop are only going to save you time and energy. You don't want to lose that killer lab tool. If you drop that on the concrete, you've lost $800. Plus you have to order it, ship it to your house. What a hassle. Please subscribe to my channel and we'll have more great door and lock tips like this shelf made out of acacia wood coming your way. Thank you.